Hey guys, welcome to Benma. Today I'm going to be doing a slime channel with my two favorite slimes. I actually have only one slime. It's a silly sludge. So satisfying. And I have another putty. It's noise putty. Magnetic snore. So which one do you guys want to do first? Let's do this. I'm going to close my eyes. And I'm continuing to trade around. Left, right, I pick left. Now stop. I'm taking this one. Oh, this one. It's this one. It's pink. Oh, they kind of got mixed up, but who cares? So here's how it looks like. Here kind of got mixed up with the other one. So it's perfect shape, people. It's so pretty. It's really green. I think I got them mixed up before. And who cares? They look pretty. Okay. My parents ever know I'm doing videos, but they don't have a chance. I can't keep my subscribers waiting. It's so satisfying. It's like putty. It breaks, but you have to shape it like in a ball to get it open. So much fun. It's good. At the end of this video, if you wait till the end, I have a surprise back there. It's gonna be like a guess what game. It's super fun, and some of you guys love it. So here's this one. Hey, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Here, this has a hard cap to open. Wait, let me open it. Okay, open it. Sludge. Let's make all the sludge come out. All the sludge on the sled. And it's tipped over. It's kind of oh, it came out. This is like so satisfying, and it's kind of sticky. Sludge. This one's not. It's so awesome. I'm also eating extreme sour warheads. It's on my last video. So what's this? I'm gonna go get my surprise. BRB, be right back. This is kind of a surprise. This is what I got for spring break. On my spring break challenge, I did something. I'll tell you guys at the end. So I got this as my spring break challenge. That wasn't the only thing. I got bubbles. I used at recess. 100 water balloons. Oh my gosh, this was one of my buddies. Just the same pink. Do that later. And the last one that I also got this Hanua bracelet. I got the Canyon. I got this type of bracelet. My friend Gabby, she got Oasis. Well, I got that bracelet, and my friend wanted this since Christmas. It's the one that I gave to her. And last thing, I got a mashom. But today that day I got a mashom. Today I got a mashom in the morning. I got a mashom in the morning, and I got one at the end of the day. One for winning the game, one for the spring break challenge, one for turning something in. My teacher is the best. It's Miss A. White. We still like elementary. Alright. Let's crack one open. 3. Crack. No, what? You have to guess. I have Nemo. I have a blue guy from Monsters Inc. and I have Buzz Lightyear. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumb more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to keep your thumb straight. Bow, kiss, begin. The first one to be this. Yes, it's my favorite. It's Monsters Inc. Dude, it's blue, and I love him because he's clear inside. Hallelujah. So much fun. Let me do him in the eye. It's hard to do him in the eye, but yeah, I can do it. Did it in the eye. So, yeah. I want you guys to see him. So. Oh, okay. Sorry, people. Oh, you can look here. Okay. Oh wait, where? Oh no! Number 1. Number 2. Yay! This was my spring break challenge. Oh, he was the one that I turned the turn-in paper. I got him. Nemo, or Marlin, not Nemo. Nemo from Spring Break Challenge. Kind of looks like Marlin, but you know how I know he's Nemo? Big fin, little fin right there. I don't think you guys can see it, but little fin. That's what I knew. Let me start counting on this one. Sorry guys, I don't want you guys to see them. Okay, last one. Buzz Lightyear. He's so much fun. I'm giving my sister an email because she loves him. And he's kind of clear, but he's purple clear. These feel like so satisfying. I don't think I can ever. Oh, if you guys squish them here, then they can just break, I think. Oh no, they don't. Oh, I squished them in his backpack. Fun. Buzz. Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. I could have done that. So, I got him for turning in some paper at school. I got this one for Spring Break Challenge. And I got him Buzz Lightyear for winning a game. That's cool. It's an interesting box. And yeah. Don't forget to do water balloons and Easter. But these are mini water balloons. Cute. Fun. Cool. Oh. I feel like I forgot something. No, I didn't. Oh yeah, no. Okay, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you subscribe, turn on that notification button to know every time I post up a new video. They're usually on Thursdays, Tuesdays, Saturdays. That's it, yeah. See you guys. Bye. Have a good Thursday.